Here I have HUAWEI NOVA 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then you have to tap on the gear icon to access its settings, scroll down a bit, and here you can enable Add Watermark. And now every photo you take will be marked with the watermark, just like this one. HUAWEI NOVA 10 Pro Ultra Vision camera. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.